Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change call vibration pattern and the notification vibration pattern on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, you have to open the list of all apps by pressing the digital crown once. Then once you are in the apps list, find settings and open them. Then scroll down until you find sounds and haptics settings. Tap right here, then scroll down. Here you can change the haptics itself and themselves and by selecting this option and then choosing either the default or the prominent mode for your haptics. Below you can change your ringtone, which is your basically call vibration, and as well as the call sound, also the text tone, the new mail, and the calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and default alerts. You can also manage your crown haptics here, system haptics, and basically that's it. So that's how you can change the vibration pattern for each kind of notification and call on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.